Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on super quick to show you this awesome little thing that I got off Amazon. I was actually looking for a brush holder for my watercolor brushes, but I stumbled across this, which is actually a lipstick holder, I think. But I thought this would be awesome to hold multiple ink samples because I have my little cat and polar bear holders, the toothbrush holders, but I wanted something that would hold a couple more. And up until now, I haven't really used the 4 little holes on the end because they're just a little small, but I discovered that they're perfect for holding the pieces of a pen or cartridges or converters when you're filling a pen with a syringe. So if you are a weirdo like me and love to fill your converters using a syringe rather than connecting it to the section and pulling it through, I like to do it this way so that the section doesn't get all inky. You can hold all of your little pieces in this holder and it keeps it nice and safe and stable and all together, and it just makes the process way easier. So I will put the link in the description as always. I hope this helps somebody out like it's helped me. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!